while strengthening the role of self-help groups in advancing
given a lot of thrust to natural and organic farming. Recently joined.
Please come here because there is no progress unless we
is the best one. This day is the best.
ಸೊ ರೈತರಿಗೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅವರಿಗೆ. ಈ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೋದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸಸ್ಟೈನಬಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಆವಾಗ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ಗಳಾಗಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಾರ್ಯಾಗಾರ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಲಿ ನಾವು ಇಲಾಖೆಯಿಂದ ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಆಗಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಸಹ ಮುಂದೆ ಅದು ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Many ways where we had to use chemical pesticides to improve our productivity. But now I think the time has come for us to move back to natural farming, as this is having a huge toll, and there are various studies that it is having an adverse impact on the, not only on the soil health, on the health of the individuals as well.
2023, and there is a clear demand hubs that have emerged across the country. And if you look at the SSG cohorts, the crop alignment also suits very well. 70% of the market comprises of the pulses, cereals, spices, oils, and fruits and vegetables, which are aligned with the NRLM's crop basket.
Good examples of where natural farming is as remunerative or more remunerative than chemical-based farming, then obviously all our farmers would be happily going towards it. So our job is more to do that research and showcase it, and then take it to the farmland, to the farmers, particularly through the women SNG groups.